If you're a grilling enthusiast like I am, you're gonna need something to clean the grill with. That's where this 3-in-1 grill brush from Kitchen Perfection comes in. It has a scraper on this side with some notches in it to be able to get around the edges of the grates to help get the sides clean. And of course you have the brush side. Instead of using bristles, they use these woven spiraled stainless steel wires that gets in between everything and gets it good and clean. Let's check it out. I haven't cleaned this since the last time I used it because it was really cold outside, and I've got a crappy grill brush that doesn't use metal here, and you can't use it on a hot grill, so I haven't been back out to actually clean it. This one I can use on a hot grill. I like that. So we're gonna scrape it clean and give it a shot. Use that scraper here. Oh, that's nice. As you can see, this does a great job getting my grill clean and ready to use. I can use it on a hot grill. You can actually dip it in water before you put it on the hot grill, which will create some steam and help you to clean it even better. Not only do you get this in the bundle, but you get a high temperature grill mat. This is for vegetables or fish or something that might fall in between your grill grates. You just take this, lay it right there on your grill, put your food right on top of it and cooks. This is a high temperature resistant silicone to allow you to be able to do that. This is something that every grill master needs to make sure that they keep their grill clean and ready to cook.